Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make better trading decisions. Today, September 16th, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into Google stock, to see what the charts are telling us. Looking at the current events, Google has been making headlines lately due to its ongoing antitrust battles in the US and Europe, which are causing some investors to be cautious. However, Google has also seen a boost from its guest checkout service, which is helping it generate more transaction volume, giving some investors reason to be optimistic. The buzz around AI is also providing a positive sentiment for Google stock, but there are concerns about the company's capital expenditure on AI development, which is putting strain on its short-term capital efficiency. Let's move to the daily chart and see how the stock has been performing. Zooming out, we can see that Google has been on a relatively bullish trend over the past few months. There's been a clear upward trajectory, and the stock has reached a new all-time high earlier this year. However, we've seen a recent pullback from those highs, suggesting that investors are starting to take profits or are becoming more cautious about the future. This pullback coincides with the news of Google's antitrust challenges, and it's something to watch out for in the coming weeks. If we look at the daily chart's recent range of candles, we can see that the stock has been finding support around the $150 level. This level could act as a strong buying opportunity, especially if the stock rebounds from this point. On the other hand, we can see resistance around the $160 level. This level has been a significant obstacle for the stock in the recent past. Breaking through this resistance level could signal a strong bullish trend, but it's important to remember that it could take some time for the stock to break through. Now let's switch gears and take a closer look at the 1-hour chart. This time frame offers us a more detailed view of the short-term price fluctuations. We can see that the stock has been consolidating between $155 and $160 in recent hours. This consolidation suggests that investors are unsure about the next move and are waiting for a catalyst. A break above $160 could trigger a short-term bullish move, while a break below $155 could indicate a short-term bearish trend. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and examine the last few candles. We see a few bearish candles indicating short-term selling pressure. This could be attributed to the recent news headlines about Google's antitrust challenges. However, we also see that the stock is still holding above $155, suggesting that there's still support for the stock at this level. If the stock can bounce off this support level, we could see a short-term bullish rebound. The next few hours will be crucial to watch, as the stock will likely be influenced by any further news releases or investor sentiment. To get a hyper-focused perspective, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute time frame allows us to see even finer details of the stock's price movement. We see that the stock has been relatively stable in the last few 15-minute intervals. There's not a lot of volatility, which could suggest that investors are waiting for a clearer direction. The stock is currently holding above $157, which could be a good sign for the bulls. A breakout above $158 could trigger a short-term bullish move, while a breakdown below $156 could indicate a short-term bearish trend. To summarize the key price levels we've identified today, $150 seems to be a strong support level on the daily chart. This could act as a good buying opportunity, but keep an eye on the news and any potential catalysts. On the other hand, the $160 level on the daily chart has been acting as resistance. A breakout above this level would be a strong bullish signal. On the hourly chart, the $155 level is a short-term support level to watch. A break below this level could indicate a short-term bearish trend. The 15-minute chart shows that the stock is currently holding above $157. A breakout above $158 could trigger a short-term bullish move. As we wrap up our Google analysis for today, it's important to remember that the market can be unpredictable. The stock's future movements will be influenced by various factors, including news releases, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. Therefore, it's crucial to keep an eye on the news and chart data and to be flexible in your trading strategy. Use your knowledge of support and resistance levels, key price levels, and candlestick patterns to make informed decisions. Always remember to manage your risk carefully and to trade within your means.